welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA T20 and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here, battery saver. Now for some reason it's grayed out. So let's see what I can find in here. Oh, I think it's grayed out because it is actually charging right now. Let's see if that is the case. So yep, there we go. So if I unplug it from charging, I can actually toggle it on. So there we go. Once you tap on it, it will turn on dark mode, as you can see. And it also does a couple of things in the background, like disables Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device, so when it's in sleep mode like this. And that is strictly so it preserves as much battery as it can when it thinks you won't need it. Now because of that, you will lose you won't be getting notifications as you would normally when they're being sent to you. So you will be getting them in bulk once the device decides to connect to network once every some amount of time. So it will deliver all the messages from things like Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, all in bulk. Anyway, so that is basically how you turn on your battery saver, and once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to basically make it look like any other one. But my phone or tablet is basically almost dead, so I am plugging it in. That's why I can't actually enable or disable it right now. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.